Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today it is a special tutorial for me. I decided to go for blue under eyes, but for a good reason. This month, April, is the month where you can show some supports for people that are touched by autism, their families and their friends. And well, some people show their supports with painting on the walls, and some people write stuff, and well, me, I decide to show my supports through my creativity. And well, my creativity is my makeup. My face is a wall, is a paper, you know. So I decided to go for blue under eyes, and I even paint my nails in blue. So if you want to know how I did this one, you want to show some supports too, you just can go see the steps of this makeup. So I don't know why, but my camera stopped filming and I was just beginning to film, so I really don't understand what happened, but who cares? The first step that I did was to prime my face with my primer from Gush, and after that I start using my primer from L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. This is one of my faves, so I'm just gonna continue to do my foundation. I'm really not that good with camera and technology. For real, you don't know, but I'm 80 years old and I don't know shit with technology, okay? I'm just bad. So I'm finished with my foundation, and next I'm going for my concealer. I'm gonna use today my IT Cosmetic Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. And then, ladies and gentlemen, this one hide everything, okay? It hide everything. The biggest lies, he can hide it. The fact that you go out last night and didn't sleep that much, it hide it. Okay, it hide everything. So it's full coverage, trust me. You don't want to put too much with this one. Where is my brush? And my little tricks that I like to do with thick foundation and thick concealer is to take my setting spray, and this one is from Maybelline, the Master Fix Spray, and I'm just going to spray a little bit of this on my beauty sponge, and I'm just gonna press the product under my eyes. It will help to have a natural look. Ta-da! Foundation and concealer done. And today for my brows, I will use a product from Annabelle, the Skinny Brow Liner. And this one is in the color Universal Medium. I think it's that, yeah. And this brow pencil is like one of the weirdest pencil that I've seen in my life. Like, what the heck is that thing? But I really like it. I really like the color and the texture, so I'm gonna use this one. And I'm back with brows, and now I look more alive because I think brows is something really important step in the makeup. I think it defines your face, but that's just me, okay? I love to do my brows. So for next step, I will go set my under eyes, and I will use my NYX palette, this one. I will go, oh, why there's hair, okay. I will go pick this color right here and just go set my under eyes. And I will set my face. And what I like to do is taking this yellow color right here and just go, I liked a little bit my under eyes. I love this bright yellow color. Okay, so now you know the next step, and the next step is the eyes. And for this I will use my Master Palette by Mario and from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I know that this palette isn't sold anymore, but for those of you who have this palette, who own this one, I want to show you a tutorial with this one. So let's go with that baby right here. I really love the brush inside. Like, a lot of people don't love the brush, but I do love the brush. I think it's the good one. But she's nasty. She's dirty. Okay, so let's go with the first color. The first color that I will use is Lula. And just with a blending brush, I'm just gonna go intensify this color in my crease and make it soft on the edge. So next I'm gonna go with the Violeta, this one right here. And with a more flat blending brush, I'm just gonna go in the crease, creating some depth. That brush was still nasty. Shit. Fuck. Apparently my brush was not clean. Even if I cleaned this one this morning. So I have a little bit of sparkle on my face, but you know what? We're gonna do with it. Yeah, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. It's not that bad. Okay, people, let's continue. For my next color, I'm gonna go right here with the color Kim, and with the flat brush, I'm just gonna go pick this color and apply it all over my lid. And I'm just gonna go soft the edge. And between the color Kim and Violeta, we're just gonna go apply a little bit of NYC. Like this. And blending. Okay, so now let's go under my eyes, and that's where we're gonna use the blue today. We're gonna use the color Claudia, and with an angle brush, I'm just gonna go and after that, I'm just gonna take a blending brush and I'm just gonna go blend this color, the edge. And I really want that color to go low under my eyes. Okay, so opening this pencil, like taking off the package, was really hard. Took me at least 10 minutes. So this pencil right here is from Gush, and the color is Pretty Petrol. What kind of name is that? Pretty Petrol. What? Anyway, so it's waterproof, so it will be perfect in my waterline. That's such a weird name. And these pencils are so creamy, buttery, and like intense. It's so perfect. And I'm just gonna go intensify the liner with my color in the palette, Claudia. I love when I'm doing my waterline and I'm always opening my mouth and I look so dumb. Am I the only one who do that? Like when I'm going in my waterline, I always open my mouth? So again, I go smudge the color. Just to make sure there's no harsh line. Okay, so I'm just gonna go for my mascara and my false lashes, and I'm coming back after. And I'm back with my mascara and my false lashes. And let's just say that I look really like a drama queen right now. I use for my mascara the Tarte Light Camera Lashes, and my false lashes are from Tarte. These ones are in the style Goddess. And now I'm gonna go highlight my inner corner of my eyes, and I'm gonna go pick this one right here, Fifth Avenue. And I'm just gonna go. Eyes are done, and now let's go to the rest of my face. It is a mess here. Seriously, when I do my makeup, it's a mess. It's like if I was going to a war, but a war with makeup. So let's start with the contour, and I will take back my NYX palette, and I'm just gonna go with this shade right here. I never know the name. Like I think it's HCPS06. I think it's this one, but like it's not precise, okay? I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna take this one and go contour my face. That was a little bit too much, Gab. You were too intense with the contour. Okay, I'm just gonna... So when you put too much contour powder, just like me right now, you just can take back your under eyes setting and just go over like this. Okay. So next, let's go for the bronzer, and I will use my Rimmel Natural Bronzer. And I love to bronze a little bit of my neck so it's match the rest of my face. For the blush today, I'm gonna use my Annabelle Perfect Blush in the color Rosebud. Yeah, Rosebud. Apparently it's the name. And I'm just gonna go give a little touch of pink to my face. And now let's go highlight this face. I will use my EB Beauty highlighter in the color Bubbly. And I'm just gonna apply just a bit on my face. This is not the most intense highlight, but I love it. Just like this. And after that, we fix her face, and I'm gonna go with the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray, and I'm just gonna go and smash all of this on my face. Now this makeup can go nowhere. you're set on my face. So this is it, guys. This is the final result. I hope you enjoy it. I knew I want to do a blue under eyes, but for the rest I was not sure, so I just did my makeup on the go. I hope you enjoy it. I really like it. I think it's for it's more makeup to go out with your friends or things like that. Maybe not for going to work, for your job, you know. But if you're a morning person, good for you, but I'm not. I'm way too lazy in the morning. I want to sleep, so I don't have enough time to do this kind of makeup in the morning. In fact, I wake up 15 minutes before going to work every morning. Like almost every morning. So I'm really bad for this. And so on this one, I'm wishing you to have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Now I have everything on my mirror. After my brows or before, I have to do one, whatever what.